lecture, so we're doing this one's a little bit longer, a little bit harder to understand. Very important. Great place to get a job. Understanding database marketing, marketing research. Really no announcements other than the second half of this class is going to go much faster. A lot more work, so you got to really buckle down and kind of get your work done basically. All right, so database marketing. So essentially, guys, is for a business, an organization, a team, it's creating a database of the people who are your customers or potential customers. You're going to put things in there like demographic information, what they buy, their purchasing habits, um, uh, psychological preferences, meaning attitudes, motivations, any kind of interaction you have. If you make a call to them, they call you, it's all logged in there. And what it does is it allows the organization to pinpoint specific target markets that they can reach out to and not waste money. And so this allows you to reach not only your current customers, also your past and future ones. So a good database marketing system is a couple things. First of all, it's centralized, and what that means is it's located within one program or one system. So for instance, like Microsoft has its own one. There's one called Salesforce. Second characteristic is retrieval, meaning that you're able to get the data you want fairly quickly and in a format that you like. And third, it's integrated, meaning that you're able to pull data from several sources, meaning that marketing can pull things from sales, sales can pull things from marketing, promotion can pull things from marketing and sales, that type of stuff. A customer relation management system um, is a couple things. It's basically it expands on just your typical demographic or psychographic or product usage system that you have in your database marketing. A CRM is more complex. It captures everything: transactions, inquiries, sales calls, research, anything, any interaction you have at all with your customers goes into this. So if somebody made a call to somebody about a sales call last year, it would still be in there this year, and you could see what the last conversation was like. Okay. So this database marketing, this customer relations management, is all in e-marketing, meaning that it's used to make things easier. So your team website can capture this type of information. So what I mean is that people buy tickets online. That information goes into your consumer relations management, your database marketing. Somebody buys online merchandise. Somebody enters a contest. All this stuff allows you to capture information about fans. And then what you can do is you can mine out data, meaning you could pick out specific data you need to be able to target a certain market. So you have all this good technology at our hands. Okay, we have Facebook, which again allows us to reach out to fans. Twitter, YouTube, all these things which you're going to create for your project are just ways to reach your fan that really don't cost any money. They just cost time. So who do you target with your database marketing? Well, there's a bunch of different things. It could be people who buy a ticket or used a ticket from somebody else, people who watch a game, listen to a game, buy apparel, visit your website, enter contests, play youth sports, play fantasy leagues, participate in fan loyalty programs. Anybody who might be a potential customer goes in your database marketing. And so the next step to this is you have to do research. That's pretty much what makes this work. And so the couple things you want to know is, first, what do you want to know as an organization? What's the best way to get this data? And then what do we do with the data once we have it and we analyze it? And so a couple of areas that are real emphasis for database marketing is your general market, who you sell to, individual consumers, meaning maybe individual consumers of a certain product, of a certain team, and then who are your competitors? There's somebody else you can do research on. And so for the general market data, you want to know how big the market is. You want to know the demographics of the people who work and reside in it, okay, within a certain area. So for instance, Atlanta, the market could be inside the perimeter. You want to know the purchasing behaviors. What do they like to do? Where do they shop at? What do they like to buy? You want to know, what sports they like to go to. And then you want to try to look and see if there's any kind of future data that supports that there's any kind of trend toward what they might buy. For individual data, you want to know names and addresses, phone numbers, frequency of going to games, frequency of using products, quantity of products, how do they pay for it, where do they pay for it, lead time, how much time did they plan before they went to an event, meaning did they do it spontaneously or did they plan 2 or 3 weeks ahead of time or a month or a year. What media do they use? Are they social media? Do they like radio? Do they like TV? And then is there any kind of pattern to how they consume? Meaning do they, consume certain products on the weekend or more during one part of the year? And then as far as competitors, you want to know their prices, their products, what they're doing for promotions, what kind of services. Now, any kind of comparisons, among similar organizations. So here's some kind of data sources that you can get this primary data. Observations, focus groups, surveys, videos, panels, open letters, mystery shoppers. All these places give you this kind of data about consumers. And the importance of getting this, and understanding this is that it allows you to communicate with the people who are your target. It allows you to position yourself somewhere in your market. You can have a demographic profile of your audience. You can really get intimate with your marketing efforts. You can set, really good goals and actually evaluate those goals. And you can gather information that can help you get new sponsors or keep current sponsors. Guys, we'll talk on Thursday more in depth about this and make sure we really get a good grasp on this, because this is a kind of a really important part of marketing and branding. You guys have a great day.